Hi friends, I hope that you are excited to make soap with me today. Let's get started by talking about the list of materials you will need to make soap. The first thing will be the glycerin soap base. I was able to find this on Amazon. And then you're also going to need some skin safe food coloring. I was also able to find this on Amazon. You're going to also want to have some type of an essential oil, any one of your choice, to add whatever scent you like to your soap. And also some any kind of soap molds. I was able to find these fun shapes on Amazon, but anything would be fine. Squares, circles, whatever you like. And let's get started on making soap. First step is to cut up as much of the soap base as you would like to use. And you're either going to use a microwave, or what I'm doing is double boiling it. And you're going to want to completely melt it. I'm not using a lot right now because I've made a lot of soap already. So feel free to use a lot more until you have enough to make as much soap as you would like. So it's going to take a little time to boil down, and you will notice when it's completely melted. Make sure during this process you always have a grown-up handling this part, because the soap gets very hot when it's melted. It can easily burn your skin. And you're also using a stove, and we want you to be safe and careful. Okay, and this is the soap completely melted. And now it is time to add our colors. Whatever color you prefer. I am going to be using a peppermint scent, so I think I'm going to go with green. And again, this is a skin safe food coloring. I was able to find on Amazon, but I'm sure you can find some possibly at a local Walmart or a local craft store. And then I'm adding a little bit of white to add a little more texture. Some swirls, and then I'm going to add some peppermint oil. And mix that in. And now it is time to pour the soap in our soap molds. And you just want to do it carefully. Try not to have it overflow because it can get pretty messy. And I'm very excited to see what kind of colors everyone chooses. Okay. And that is it. That is how we make our soap. And in a minute I'll show you what it looks like when it is solid. You're going to want to let it sit for a few hours. You could even put it in the refrigerator for a while. You want it to get completely firm before you take it out. Okay, and here is the finished product. I had it sit in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, so it did solidify a lot more quickly than I thought it would. So just to quickly show you, I have the little shape of a bear, Came out very nice, so shiny. So yeah, it's a very simple and fun way to make soap, and I hope everyone has an easy time making it, and I'm looking forward to seeing everyone's soap. And I hope that you all have a great day, and I thank you for joining me. Bye.